Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best smart thermostats is probably one of the most sought-after home upgrades for homeowners looking to enhance comfort, save energy, and gain greater control over their living environment, offering a blend of convenience and efficiency that traditional thermostats simply cannot match. These intelligent devices learn your habits, adjust temperatures automatically, and can be controlled remotely via smartphone apps, making them an indispensable tool for modern living and a significant investment in your home's future. Number 5. Cinch Magnetic Calendar Bundle. Introducing the Cinch Magnetic Calendar Bundle, your ultimate solution for staying organized. This set is designed to simplify your life and keep your schedule on track. With 3 distinct dry erase boards, monthly, weekly, and daily, you can effortlessly manage all your appointments and tasks. It's the perfect tool for busy individuals and families. Never lose your writing tools again. This set comes with 6 fine-tip markers, a large eraser, and strong magnets, all designed to stick securely to your fridge for convenience. Enjoy a pristine writing surface every time. Our boards are designed for easy erasing, leaving no ghosting or smudges, ensuring your calendar always looks fresh and clear. Update your plans with ease using the 6 vibrant markers, each featuring a built-in eraser tip. The colorful design makes planning both functional and fun. You'll have plenty of room for all your notes, reminders, and meal plans. The spacious boards are perfect for keeping your home, workspace, or classroom organized. What we like. If you need a comprehensive planning system, this set is for you. It offers monthly, weekly, and daily views all in one convenient package. You should choose this if you're looking for a complete organizational tool for a busy household or workspace. What people say. The Whiteboard is a great tool for planning and tracking weekly goals. It has a durable surface that is easy to clean and resistant to ghosting. The included markers and eraser are of good quality and work well with the board. Number 4. Black Magnetic Acrylic Fridge Calendar. Introducing our sleek magnetic acrylic calendar, designed to keep your life organized. It easily attaches to any fridge or smooth surface, making planning a breeze. Never miss an important date again with this versatile planning board. Track birthdays, appointments, and holidays with ease. It's perfect for both adults and kids to develop organizational skills. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, this board is scratch and stain resistant. Simply wipe it clean for a fresh start every time. Its reusable nature makes it an environmentally conscious choice. Mount it on any magnetic surface or use the included hardware for non-magnetic areas like glass or wood. We've even included a protective box to prevent scratches on your fridge. More than just a planner, it's a decorative piece. Its abstract design adds a touch of style to your kitchen, office, or classroom. Use it for to-do lists, grocery reminders, and so much more. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? This planning board is ideal for anyone who loves to stay organized. The possibilities for its use are truly endless. What we like. For those who value both aesthetics and functionality, this is a great option. Its sleek acrylic design can elevate any space, and it offers flexible mounting solutions. If you're looking for a modern planner that doubles as decor, this is the one. What people say. The Whiteboard is a great tool for planning and organizing weekly tasks. The included markers and eraser are of good quality and work well on the surface. The magnetic surface allows for easy attachment of notes and reminders. Number 3. Marsrock Double-Sided Desktop Whiteboard. Introducing the Marsrock Double-Sided Desktop Whiteboard, your ultimate tool for organization and creativity. It's designed to help you manage your tasks and ideas with ease. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need: vibrant markers in multiple colors, strong magnets, and an eraser. The surfaces are smooth, durable, and easy to clean, ensuring a pristine writing experience every time. Take your planning anywhere with this lightweight, portable whiteboard. Its adjustable knob and reinforced stand allow you to set it at the perfect angle, whether you're working flat or upright. Maximize your productivity with its double-sided design. Use one side as a standard whiteboard and the other as a weekly planner to manage schedules, projects, and to-do lists simultaneously. Crafted with a sturdy aluminum frame, this whiteboard is built for durability and resistance to drops. It's a reliable companion for all your planning and creative needs. Ideal for classrooms, offices, and home use, it's perfect for teaching, meetings, planning, or even as a creative outlet for teens. It also doubles as a bulletin board for photos and notes. What we like. If you need flexibility and dual functionality, this board is an excellent choice. The double-sided design allows for multiple uses simultaneously, and its portability makes it perfect for on-the-go planning. You should consider this if you're a student or professional who moves between different workspaces. What people say. The Whiteboard Weekly is a fantastic tool for staying organized and tracking progress. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize it to your specific needs. The durable construction ensures it will last for a long time. Number 2. Navaris Small Weekly Whiteboard Planner. Stay on top of your schedule with this weekly planner. Easily jot down important meetings, create to-do lists, and organize your days. Its compact size fits perfectly on your desk, tabletop, or counter. Keep your weekly plan visible and accessible at all times. Crafted from durable tempered glass and stainless steel, this planner is built to last for years of use. Forget wasteful paper pads. This dry erase surface can be wiped clean and reused endlessly for all your planning needs. It measures 16 by 6 inches and comes with a black marker pen. Some simple assembly is required. What we like. If desk space is at a premium and you need a durable, long-lasting planner, this is ideal. Its compact size ensures it won't clutter your workspace, and the tempered glass construction means it's built to last. Choose this if you prefer a minimalist setup for your weekly planning needs. What people say. The whiteboard is a great tool for planning and organizing weekly tasks. It's easy to clean and the markers write smoothly. The layout is well designed for tracking progress and setting goals. Number 1. Navaris Magnetic Weekly Planner Whiteboard. Bring order and flexibility to your planning with this weekly calendar whiteboard. Easily write and erase daily and weekly plans as needed. The surface is also magnetic for attaching notes and papers. Make planning and organizing each day a cinch with this easy-to-read wallboard. Use it to write down schedules, plan meals, or keep track of errands. This week planning board is made of coated paper on an MDF frame. It comes with 2 dry erase markers and 5 magnets to get you started right away. Write on the magnetic calendar board using the supplied marker pens. To clean, simply wipe off using a cloth or sponge dampened with plain water. The calendar layout is versatile and can be wiped off and rewritten as needed each week. With the added bonus of being a magnetic pinboard, you can get creative with visual reminders too. What we like. If you're looking for a larger, wall-mounted organizational tool, this board is a solid pick. Its magnetic surface is perfect for attaching notes and reminders, making it a central hub for your weekly plans. You should opt for this if you need a prominent visual planner for your home or office wall. What people say. The product is well designed and functional. It has a good design and works well. The features are useful and the product is well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.